Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile offers incredibly affordable prepaid wireless service, helping you save money on your phone bill. You can select from flexible plan durations, including 3, 6, or 12-month options. All plans come with unlimited talk and text, plus nationwide 5G and 4G LTE data, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Before signing up, it is crucial to check if your current phone is unlocked and compatible with Mint Mobile's service. You should also use their convenient online tool to confirm strong network coverage in your specific area. Mint Mobile operates on T-Mobile's robust nationwide 5G and 4G LTE network, providing reliable service across the country for millions of users. Next, you will choose a data plan that best suits your monthly usage, with options starting from 5 gigabytes. You can either opt for a brand new phone number or seamlessly transfer your current one over to Mint Mobile. Once your SIM card arrives, activation is straightforward, completed either online through their website or using the intuitive Mint Mobile application. To manage your service, simply download the Mint Mobile app, available for both Apple and Android devices. This app allows you to easily monitor your data usage, track your plan's expiration, and renew your service with just a few taps. Should you have any questions or require assistance, their dedicated customer support team is readily available to help you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.